go to the game folder. Select GTA 5. Right-click it. Click on Properties. Click on Compatibility. Check Run this program in compatibility mode. Click to show the options. Select Windows 7. Check Run this program as administrator. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Scroll down. Select Play GTA 5. Right-click it. Click on Properties. Click on Compatibility. Check Run this program as administrator. Click on Apply. For the PlayGTAV 5 executable, do not check the option to run this program in compatibility mode. Click on OK. Open Documents. Open the Rockstar Games folder. Open GTA 5 folder. Select the settings file and delete it. Go to the internet. Search for Microsoft Visual Redistributables 2010. Click on Download and check both the 86 and the 64 files and click on Download. First, open the 86 file, click on Repair or Install and click on Next. Now open the 64 file, click on Repair or Install and click on Next. Now restart your computer. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.